there are so many good snacks out there, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make puppy chow. I'm going to be showing you what you will need, the different supplies you'll need, the ingredients you'll need, and how to make it, and different ingredients you can use instead of these ingredients. So let's get started. What you will need is, for your tools, is a spatula, a teaspoon. Make sure you don't get your teaspoon and tablespoon mixed up, because then it won't turn out good. And then a measuring cup, one of these things. If you don't have this, it's fine. It just, you put your peanut butter in there, and it's easier, so you just push it out. Yeah, and then you'll need a large mixing bowl and a small mixing bowl, and a brown paper bag or a Ziploc bag. And then for your ingredients, you will need peanut butter, vanilla, butter, chocolate chips, powdered sugar, and Chex. So how to make it? You'll need 9 cups of your Chex, and then you're gonna put that in a large mixing bowl and just set that aside until you're ready to use it. And then you're going to put your chocolate chips in there. You're gonna put 1 cup of chocolate chips. So just put it up to the line, and then put it in your smaller mixing bowl. And then you're going to be putting your peanut butter in here. You're gonna need a half a cup of it, and just put it in there with your spatula, and then scrape it in there, and then push it out, and then scrape the excess off that. And then you'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, so 1/4 of a cup, and so that's a half a stick of butter. Just put that in there, and then you're gonna put this in the microwave for about a minute, and then once that's done, take it out and stir it. And then once you stir that, then put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds. And after that, you'll take it out and put your teaspoon of vanilla in here. Yeah. And then you stir that up after you put the teaspoon of vanilla in there. And then you're gonna pour your chocolate mixture into your Chex and just stir that up with your spatula. And until it's evenly coated. And then after that, you're going to put your Chex Mix into your brown paper bag or your Ziploc bag, whatever you have. And then you're gonna just put your powdered sugar in there. I started off with a cup, and the recipe calls for 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I put a cup into here first and shook it up, and then I put a half a cup in here after I shook that up. And yeah, and then I shook it up and made sure it was evenly coated. And then you got that, and then once you're done with that, you're gonna put it on a wax paper to cool, because it'll still be warm from the hot chocolate. And you're gonna let it just sit there for however long you would like, or you could just eat it right away, like I do. And then you're gonna put it in a container or a Ziploc bag. And yep. And then finally, I will be teaching you the different things you can use to make it good. You can use almond butter instead of peanut butter if you would like to make it healthier. And then you can use different kinds of chocolate chips. The recipe called for semi-sweet, but you can use dark chocolate or normal chocolate, whatever you want. And then I use just plain butter, but you can use margarine or unsalted butter, whatever you would like to use. And then there are multiple types of Chex. I just got the rice Chex because that's what I saw first. And there's corn Chex, rice Chex, there's chocolate Chex, and any other kinds you want, but any kind will do for the recipe. And there's also different kinds of vanilla. This is just from Mexico, and it's like one of the best vanillas you can get, but any kind will do, I guess. And then today I went over what ingredients you'll need, what supplies you will need to make it, how to make it, and different ingredients ingredients you can use to make it. Enjoy.